Firstly, you must gather evidence. Obtain documentation that proves the employee failed their state certification. It is important to confirm the employee is not enrolled in any recognized educational program that would lead to certification. Secondly, determine the correct reporting authority. Identify the appropriate county official or department responsible for dealing with employee certification issues. This could be the county clerk, the human resources department, or the personnel office. If the county lacks a formal reporting process, consider contacting the state agency that issued the certification in the first place. Thirdly, file a formal report. Submit either a written or verbal report to the appropriate county official or state agency. Be sure to include clear and specific details regarding the employee's failed certification and lack of current enrollment in an educational program to obtain certification. Include any supporting documentation that you have gathered to substantiate your claim. Fourthly, request an investigation. Clearly express your concerns that the employee is working in a position they are not qualified for. Emphasize the potential risks to public safety or county resources that this situation might create. Request a thorough and impartial investigation into the matter. Fifthly, follow up on the investigation. Stay informed about the status and progress of the investigation. Be prepared to provide additional information or clarification if requested by the investigators. If the investigation confirms the employee's lack of qualifications, advocate for appropriate action to address the situation, such as retraining or reassignment. It is important to remain professional and objective in your report. Avoid making personal attacks or unsubstantiated accusations against the employee. Only provide evidence to support your claims about the employee's lack of qualification. If possible, consider filing the report anonymously to protect your identity and prevent potential retaliation. If you have any concerns or legal questions regarding the situation, consider consulting with an attorney for advice on your legal rights and options.